Hello friends, welcome back to my channel reviews. So today I'm going to review some clothing items of menswear. So let's get started with the video. Two shirts and one t-shirt I have brought from Ajio. One shirt and one t-shirt is of Levi's brand and one shirt is of Peppy Jeans brand. So yeah, talking about the Ajio's delivery, it is almost I got both these products delivered within a 3 days time. Like they have a super fast delivery system, which is a plus point. One of the delivery I got it from delivery and one I got it from Express B courier. So yeah, I will remove all this plastic cover and show it to you. So this is how the three products were packed from inside. So I will show it to you one by one. So first of all, I am going to show you the t-shirt of Levi's brand. You can find this t-shirt as Levi's Color Block Typographic Brand Print Slim Fit Polo t-shirt. Basically, it is a color block t-shirt with grey and black, and the Levi's branding is there in the front of the t-shirt. Original price of the product is 1899 rupees. Currently, it is on a discount of 58%, that is 798 rupees. So this is today's price. If you shop more from Ajio, you will get discount on this product. In this t-shirt, the size is available from small to double XL, and the product is true to size because I have already measured this product. Talking about the product details, the collar is ribbed and the sleeve hems are ribbed. This is a half sleeve polo t-shirt, 100% cotton material. They have recommended machine wash. That's it. I will show you the back side of the t-shirt. Back side of the t-shirt is plain black in color. So yeah, now I will show you the t-shirt in close-up. So this is how the collar looks like from close-up. The branding is given inside the t-shirt. This is the real price and everything about the t-shirt is given. These are the two buttons which are in black color. These are the hems which are also ribbed. So yeah, I will just show you the inside part. So this is the inside of the t-shirt. The stitching overlocked, which is very good. Even they have provided one extra button, and there is a small slit at the end of the t-shirt on both the sides. So moving on to the next item. This is the shirt which is also from the Levi's brand, and the product is amazing. Like it is a reversible shirt, so you can use it both ways. You can find this on Ajio as Levi's checked slim fit reversible shirt. I will also provide all the product details in the description box below, so you can check from there also if you want. The real price of this product is 2999 rupees, which is almost to 3000 rupees. Currently this product is 70% off, that is 900 rupees only. Sorry, I just checked out, the product is currently out of stock. If you want, you need to wait for the product to back in stock. This shirt also has sizes available from small to double XL. This product is also can be machine washed. The product is 100% cotton. The color I am showing you right now is sky blue color. It might be because of my camera is not capturing the exact color, but I have shown you the model image already. Now I will show you the back side of this shirt. This is how the back side of the shirt looks like. Sorry for the wrinkles, I have not ironed it because I need to give this to my brother, and the thing is that if it didn't fit him well, I need to return it, so I have not ironed it. Please ignore that. Generally the color is somewhat looks like a jeans shirt, but it is not a jeans shirt. It is 100% cotton as they have mentioned. So I will reverse this shirt and show it to you. So this is how the shirt looks like when I reversed it, and it's very fantastic. Like both the colors are very nice. One is almost quite a formal and elegant color, and the second is almost casual. The quality of the cloth is also very nice. It is almost a mix of green, blue, red and slight of a yellow stripes on it. This is a full sleeve shirt, and even the cuffs are also having buttons. So yeah, I will just show you the back side. It is the same thing, nothing different from the front side. Now I will show you the close-up of this shirt. So this is a close-up of the shirt. Like you can see the Levi's branding inside it, and This is the tag. It is almost 2,999. I have already mentioned. This is the Levi's tag, reversible, they have mentioned. And this is how it looks like. So these are the buttons. And even here are the buttons. So yeah, both way. There is no stitching as it is a reversible shirt. So it's very nice, a two-way use. It is made in India. They have mentioned 100% cotton. Same way, I will show you the other side. You can see the stitching in close-up. The finish is very good and fine from inside out. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So yeah, moving on to the next one. So this is how the Peppy Jeans London shirt looks like. The real price of the product is 2,499 and currently it is on a sale of 1,499. The color is beige and it is available from the size small to double XL, which is very good. Show you like they have used all this cardboard packaging inside the shirt and in the collar in order to maintain the shape of the shirt, which is very good. I think like they have taken an extra effort to pack this shirt, which is a very good point. I don't find any such packaging with the Levi's brand. So this is a long sleeve shirt with a regular fit, cotton, and it is a machine wash. So yeah, I will show you the back side of the shirt. So this is how the back side looks like. Again, sorry for the wrinkles. I don't iron this shirt, as I've already mentioned. It is a gift. I will show you this shirt in a close-up. So this is how the shirt looks in close-up. The buttons are as similar as the Levi's one. This is their branding, Peppy Jeans London, and this is the price mentioned and the size measurements. You can buy this product according to your size. There are two pockets. These are real pockets, like these are not fake pockets. Even the cuff has a button. So yeah, Peppy Jeans branding is given over here. So I have just reversed this shirt to show you the inside part. This brand has done a fabulous job. Like I don't find it is stitched. I find it same as like a reversible shirt, but it is not a reversible shirt. But still you can see there is no stitching. The stitching is very fine. Like you won't be able to see the stitching of this shirt. It's super great. I am much impressed. Moving on to the main part of the video, that is the pros and cons. So let's go. So the pros of the product. First point, talking about the Ajio delivery, that was super fast. It was delivered within 3 days. Like all these 3 products were delivered within 3 days, which is a plus point. So coming to the second point about the packaging, Ajio generally packs their product with a plastic bag, and even these two were also packed with a polythene bag. But this shirt packaging was super duper awesome. Like they have packed everything right from the collar, even the body part is also packed very well. So packaging wise, I found this shirt has done a very good job. Third point about the quality, all the 3 products has a very good quality. The t-shirt is very soft as I feel. However, the shirt is also having a very good quality, and this shirt is almost a hit in the quality. Like the product, if you can feel it, you will know how this shirt is very nice. So third point, whether they look similar as compared to the picture, then yes, all these 3 products look similar to the picture. Even they look very much better when I have having it right now as compared to the picture, as I feel. Second thing, the cons of the product. As such, I don't find any such cons of the product till now. I will surely update you and get the feedback from my brother and father. My final verdict about all these 3, like I like the most, is this shirt. The quality of this shirt is super duper awesome and I am much impressed about this shirt. Even these both two are awesome, but still I find this shirt, like this brand has done a very good job. I will surely recommend this brand from my side. Even these two are also very awesome. That's it for the today's video. Hope you like my video. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications whenever I upload a new video. Also hit the grey thumb blue. Also, if you have any queries related to this product, I will try to answer all your queries and questions. Please share this video to all your friends and families, and till then, take care all of you. Bye bye.